Today we will do a problem on lever rule in material science. So this is very popular problem. So what question is saying, we have a PBSN alloy which consists of 30% SN tin and 70% PB lead. So what we have to find, we have to find the composition and relative amount of all phases that are present just above 183 degrees Celsius and just below 183 degrees Celsius. So it is very simple question, we will do step by step. So first, the composition is 30% SN. So let's draw a line at 30%. So this is 30% SN composition line. Now first part, just above 183 degree. So just above 183 degree Celsius is this region. So we have alpha and liquid. There are two phases, alpha plus liquid. So we have to find composition of alpha, we have to find composition of liquid phase, and also we have to find relative amount, how much alpha is present and how much liquid phase is present. So we will draw a horizontal line just above this point. We will draw a horizontal line. Okay, so first we will talk about composition. So this phase is alpha. What is composition of alpha phase? Draw a vertical line from this point, and similarly here this phase is liquid. So draw a line. So what will be the composition for alpha? Composition will be how much SN? 18.3. 18.3% tin, and remaining amount will be PB. So that will be 81.7% PB. And what will be composition of liquid phase? Composition of liquid phase will be 61 point, this 61 point, this line will be little right side. So 61.9% SN, and remaining amount that will be around 38.1% PB. So composition we have to find, there will be two phase present just above 183 degree, that will be alpha and liquid. The composition of alpha will be 83.SN and 81.7% PB, and liquid phase will be 61.9 SN and 38.1 will be PB. Now we will find weight percentage. So weight of alpha will be, for this first we will draw a line, we will use it lever rule. So just above, let this is A, this is B. So I am drawing this line again. So it is very simple. This is 30% line, because the given composition is 30%, and left hand side composition of alpha is 18.3, and right side composition of liquid phase 61.9. So this part is A, this part is B. So what will be the weight percentage of alpha? Alpha lies this side, so we have to take opposite end of lever B. So we have to find weight of alpha, that will be B divided by total A plus B. This length divided by total length. So that will be alpha. For alpha we have to take opposite, and for liquid we have to take this end of lever, left side of lever. So it is very simple. Now we can, for percentage we will multiply by 100. So what will be A? A will be 13 minus 18.3, and A plus B will be total length 61.9 minus 18.3 into 100. So this will be, if I calculate this with calculator, 30 minus 18.3 divided by 61.9 minus 18.3, this will be 26.83%. Liquid phase we can calculate by subtracting from 100, and that will be 73.17%. Also the liquid we can also calculate as, for alpha phase we have used A, for liquid phase we will use A, and for alpha phase we have used B in numerator. So liquid phase will be A divided by A plus B into 100. So answer will be same as this. You can also calculate by 100 minus. So this is the weight percentage. How much weight in alloy? Total weight of alpha will be 26.83% and total weight of liquid phase will be 73.17%. Now we will move to part B. Similarly, just below 183 degrees Celsius, what happens just below 183 degrees Celsius? We can take another diagram for simplification. We can attach this image. So just below 180, the composition is 30%. Composition is 30%. Just below. So there are two phases just below 183%. The phases are alpha plus beta. So composition, alpha phase lies here, and this will be alpha and this will be beta. So for alpha phase same, what will be the composition? 18.3% SN and 81.7% Pb. For beta phase, we can see from here 97.8, this is 97.8% of SN and remaining amount 2.2% Pb. This is composition. We have find composition of alpha and beta. For relative amount, weight percentage, we will draw a horizontal line like this. I am drawing separately. So this is 30, this is 18.3, and for beta this is 18.3, this is 90, and this is 97.8. Similarly, call it at A and this is B. So for alpha we will take B. For weight percentage of alpha we will take B divided by A plus B into 100. That will be 97.8 minus 30 divided by 97.8 minus 18.3 into 100. 97.8 minus 30 divided by 97.8 minus 18.3. So that will be 85.28%. And for beta we will can calculate as A divided by A plus B into 100, or 100 minus W alpha, that will come 14.71%. So this is very simple and important concept. We have used lever rule. We can find relative amount and composition. If you have any doubt, you can comment. Okay, thank you.